sorry about that. People that get anxious before they place a trade, I'm guessing you might say, well, it just comes to really understanding your strategy. But is there any tips that you might have for people that feel anxious when they're about to place a trade?
Well, I think the first thing is understanding that it's normal. I think we all get anxious. I've been doing this for 13 years now, and although I take everything I'm supposed to take, it's still kind of like, whew, here we go. Let's do it, because you never know. We're venturing into the unknown on every given trade. I think the best solution to those who are feeling anxious is fully understanding what you're getting involved in. I think a lot of people get anxious or overly anxious when, let's say, they're risking more than they're comfortable with. Because now it's a big deal. Like if you lose, oh my gosh, I can't afford to lose this. It's gambling. I put the mortgage onto the table and let's see what happens. If you're trading small,
don't do that. Don't do
that. Although this year, man, we've seen. I've heard stories of home equity loans, buying GameStop. I've heard some rough ones out there.
Scary stuff.
But yeah, if you fully understand the trade, I think it's a confidence thing more than anything. First, it's accepting the risk, knowing that your risk is acceptable. It's should be at least small enough that it's not going to hurt you. If you're getting hurt or emotional off of the amount you lose on a trade, or even the amount you win, you're trading too big. So, trade smaller to the point where it's like, loss, it sucks, but it doesn't really make a difference in my life. Fully understanding your trade. You fully trust yourself, you fully trust your trading strategy, your trade plan, then there's no need to be anxious. You should be, you should be wanting to take this trade. It shouldn't be anxious in a negative way to rush into it or miss out on it. It should just be you're following your rules, right? You're doing your job. This is what you're supposed to do. When this happens on the chart, you push the button, out comes out of your hand, you're looking bigger picture. And I think that's something that's helped me is I don't care. I care very little about any given trade. I'd be lying if I said I didn't care. I want every trade to win, of course. But I understand that, the trade I take today is not going to make or break my year. It's not going to make or break my month, right? It's going to be the accumulation of all the trades I take throughout the year. And I know that if I take good trades, if I follow my plan, if I do what I'm supposed to do, I play out my edge, then at the end of the year, my return on investment is going to be where it needs to be. So that kind of takes the pressure off the individual trade.
So it sounds like it's all
losing streaks, but
yeah, of course, it'll get you. Just like a business, no one ever has this constant up, unless you're Amazon or whatever. So lately, anyway.